Hi guys, welcome to a new video, and in this video I will be showing you how you can host your Node.js application on Render for free of cost for lifetime. But before that, I just need to say you, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe for this kind of interesting coding related videos. So let's start. First of all, you need to go to a new tab in Google. There what you need to do, you need to go to search bar and there search GitHub. The first step is you need to have accounts on GitHub, and the second is Render. Just search Render on Google. You will get the first link, render.com. Click on that, as well as click on GitHub. The signing procedure is very simple. Just provide the email address, then you can easily sign up after the CAPTCHA verification. Okay, then this kind of dashboard will be shown. See, here repositories are listed down, but in your case there will be no repositories. It will be empty. If you are new to the GitHub, then it will be completely empty. Okay, but this new button will be there. This green color new button will be there. So just click here and then create the repository name. Like repository name means your project name. For your Node.js application, I am putting here test, but in your case, put here the application name. If your application is like something e-commerce related, you can add your company name here. Okay, then as your wish, you can make it public as or private. I will keep it as public. Then I will click on create repository. Okay, so after creating this step, then go to Render. What you need to do is to just click on sign in. Then here it will give you options, like three options. One is GitHub, one is GitLab or Google. So you just already have created that GitHub account now. So what you can do is just click on the GitHub. Then it will directly log in. It will ask you for authentication. For first time you need to authenticate, and once authentication is done, then you can use the Render. Okay, so your dashboard looks something like this, but here is a new button. What you need to do, on clicking on that, click on the new button, then click on the web service. After clicking on the web service, here it's written build and deploy from Git repository. Okay, that we will proceed, but before that, let me show you the code. I have created a basic application, Express or Node application. Okay, so here what I am doing, querying the Express and creating an Express application, then writing two routes on slash. When I will end with the slash / endpoint, then it will send me the response of landing page. If it will be slash about, then it will give me about page as a response. And I'm listening this at a port of this, and I'm running it. Very simple code is written here. Okay, so to run this file, what is the running command? In your case, if you already have your project, it may be like npm start or something like that. But I have not written script, so I'm running it directly. I will run like node. What is the file name? That is index.js in my case. Okay, but in your case, it can be like npm start or any starting npm run dev, any development or production command may be there. So you need to run that. In my case, it is this. If you have a single file like this, so you can keep it like this. Okay, so let me show you how it runs in local system. So you can see it is now in my local host and port is 8000. So it is showing me landing page here. But if I will give here / and then I'll write about, then it is sending me response of about page. So after hosting also, this would give me this output, I would expect. So here I need to upload the code on Render, but that code will be taken from the GitHub. So for that, what I need to do is to just click on the upload an existing file. My files, so this all are the file, but I will not upload this node modules, and I will click on open. Once I will click on this open, then what it will do, it will upload all those files. Then I can write here commit changes. Inside the commit changes, I can add some message like I'm adding test, but you can add some commit message according to you. Then it will take some time for processing. Once the processing is done, it will show something like this, means all your files are uploaded in the GitHub. Then you need to go to Render and then select the first option. As it is already in GitHub, you can build and deploy from GitHub. So click on that option, click on next button. Then here it will show that your username as well as after that your repository name, that is the test. Then I can click on connect. Once I click on connect, here also I can have my company name. So I will just go with the test. And region, you can select any region. So I'll go with the first one also. You can go with the Singapore also. Okay. Then the root directory, as I have a single file, so I will not have anything here. But in your case, if you have any root directory, so like you have two folders. One is client folder, one is server folder. So you can give here server if you are running backend and frontend differently. Okay. So runtime will be node, and build command, I will not give anything here. And start command, the start command which I showed you, I have run there node index.js. but in your case, if it is npm start, write npm start. If it is npm run dev for starting your node application, then write npm run dev here. Okay, then after that you can select your package. I will go with the free one, which is providing 512 RAM as well as 0.1 CPU. Then you need to click on create web service. But before that, I just need to mention one thing, that if you have any environment variables or global variables, that you can declare it here. Okay, so then you can click on create web service. Once you will click on the create web service, it will take some time for uploading your code and making a optimized build, and then it will, after the generation, it will show the message of deployed. Okay, if any error comes at this point, you should check that error, what is the error here in this log, and try to fix it, because if any error is coming here, that means your node application is not compatible. Okay, So that thing also you need to check. So it is writing build is successful and it is deploying. And if you are getting any kind of errors, you can directly comment me there, and you can also comment me in the LinkedIn. If possible, I will reply in LinkedIn. In 24 hours you will get a reply. Okay, so once everything is done, then it will show deployed, detected service running on 8000 port and this. So let me start. I'll click on this link, then it will redirect me to that link. You can see at I'm initially no route is written, means it is on / and I'm getting here landing page. But if I write now, after that if I add about and check, so you can see now the content changed to about page. That means it is working properly and deployment is successful. You can see site is running on this port. That means we already hosted our website on a server free of cost in Render. So if this video is helpful for you, then please like, share with your friends and subscribe the channel for this kind of coding related videos. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.